Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back. So today we are doing the front airs, and we have to put this new and improved lift kit. And today I will be teaching my daughter how to do this, see if I have enough patience for this. So what you need to start with is jack up the bike, and then we're going to take off the tires. So I've been thinking about starting this Teach 'em Young series, and I think we're gonna do this. So go all the way up, all the way down. Come on, you want this channel, don't you? Okay, as you can see, the tires are up in the air, right? Okay. So grab this, do each nut. Okay, make sure you're straight.
Like that?
Go down a little bit. Okay, like that. Press the trigger. Whoa. Now, you only have to hold the trigger for a second. Okay, do it on this one. Squeeze. Good. Next one. Okay. Now put the impact here. You want to help to pull the tire off?
I can't.
Oh, careful. I'm going to stabilize this, guys, before anything happens, and we'll be right back.
Oh, there's this.
After your wheels are off and everything is stabilized, you want to get 17 mils. And you want to crack this nut. Remember, you have a cotter pin with this too. Now, I do suggest you clean these threads. Don't lose your nuts, your bolts, your washers, put them all in the same spot. Then you'll need 14 mils. Then you will need 14 mils. Then remove this bolt and this bolt. And then it should come out with a shot of a hammer right here. So I'll do that, and then we'll move on to the next step. So guys, the A-arm is out. We're just sliding this one in. Remember, use a punch, line up your holes. So that way, and you slide in your bolts one by one. One bolt. Two bolts. Then you line up here the underneath. Put your washer back in. Your nut. Remember, these have to be torqued. Now, it's the same process for both right and left side. So we're not going to do a left side with you guys. But also remember, I have a high lifter lift kit, right? And we have this little bracket here. So if you didn't get a high lifter lift kit, you're going to get this little bracket, which goes on top of the shocks. Remember to go look at the installation video for the high lifter lift kit, because I am not taking out a high lifter lift kit for a little bar of steel. I don't know if this will be a solid, but I'll keep it around for spare parts. So I hope this helps you. And you okay, kiddo? Did this help you learn how to do this?
Yes, it did.
Hey, you want to do the other side by yourself? You're gonna do the other side by yourself? Okay, so I'll let her catch her breath and I'll watch her do the other side. If this helps you guys, I'm happy. Hope you enjoy. Catch you next time.